Electrostatic discharge is pretty harmless for us, and in some cases, even necessary. But for those ICs and microchips, it can be devastating. That's why in TME we keep your devices so safe and comfy that they might refuse to leave, because happy chips mean happy customers, and you are the real MVP in the circuit. So, in this video I'm about to show you how TME packs and stores your ESD components. Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, is the sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects. You have likely experienced this as a small shock when touching a doorknob. While harmless to us, ESD can be devastating for sensitive electronic components, causing both visible and invisible damage that reduces their lifespan and functionality. At TME, we take ESD protection seriously. Our EPA is specially designed space that protects sensitive components throughout storage and handling. This special flooring prevents charge generation and accumulation while walking by having just the right resistance and grounding. All personnel must wear ESD-safe clothing, including conductive fiber shirts and special boots. Visitors are provided with ESD clogs and shoe straps. This system verifies authorized personnel and ensures they are naturally charged before entering. These grounded stations are equipped with ESD mats, ESD-safe containers, and specialized tools for handling sensitive components. When it comes to packaging ESD-sensitive components, TME takes every precaution to ensure their safety, especially when moisture sensitivity is a concern. Here's how we do it. Components like through-hole ICs that aren't affected by moisture are carefully placed on ESD-safe foam. We then seal them with ESD-safe bags to protect them from static discharge during transit. These components require extra care. First, they are stored in ESD-safe bags that are tightly sealed to keep out the moisture. Inside the bag, we include a humidity indicator card and a desiccant packet to control moisture levels. If the components arrive on reels, we count and repack them onto a new reel or place them in an ESD-safe bag. The bag is then equipped with a humidity indicator card and a desiccant packet to ensure optimal storage conditions. Finally, we add a label that clearly indicates the components are moisture sensitive and seal the bag tightly to prevent any contaminations. Smaller orders of components from tubes or trays are carefully placed on ESD-safe foam, then secured in container. We include a humidity indicator card and a desiccant packet before sealing it tightly. For larger orders, we use a pick-and-place pen to transfer components to another tray. The tray is then secured with a cover and sealed with a paper tape to prevent the components from shifting during shipment or flying off when opening. These trays are also vacuum sealed along with the humidity indicator card and a desiccant packet, ensuring the components remain safe and dry. We conduct regular inspections to ensure compliance with ESD standards. In case of damaged packaging, we assess the component's moisture sensitivity levels and may salvage it using a specialized baking process. The implementation of those rigorous procedures is solely done to protect your sensitive electronic components, from our specialized EPA to our carefully packaging processes. Every step is designed to ensure the integrity and longevity of those products. We understand the critical nature of these components and treat each and one of them with the utmost care and respect. When you order from TME, you can trust that your ESD-sensitive devices are in expert hands, from our warehouse to your doorstep.